Hey kindergarten, happy Wednesday. Today we're going to work some more on our counting and building numbers and representing numbers in different ways and composing numbers and decomposing numbers. Lots of fun stuff. So let's get started. Okay, I have my 10 frame today still, and I also have a dry erase board. Today I think we'll build with bears. We may build with some other manipulatives too. Okay, so let's start by representing, and by the way, represent just means to show, okay? So let's start by showing or representing the number 3. Okay, here I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, all together, this is 3. 1, 2, 3. If I put the yellows together and the purples together and count these, 1, 2, 3, do I still have 3? Yes. What if I just look at the yellow? How many do I have now? I have only 1, 2. This is a number that's less than 3 because I didn't count the other one. Okay, if I just look at the purple, how many do I have? I have 1. But when you look at these all together, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can make 3 by using what numbers? You can make 3 by using 2 and 1. Or 1 and 2. What if I space them out like this? Can I compose 3 by using 1 and 1 and 1? 1, 2, 3. Yes. It doesn't matter how you separate them or how you count them. It still is 3. I could make 3 using different colors too. I could make 3 using an orange bear and a blue bear and a red bear. This is still 3. Now if I put these 3 with these 3, is this 3 now? How many do I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have 6. Okay, what if we put 2 here and then leave these here? 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 4 equals how many? It still equals 6. So we can make 6 in different ways. Let's do another number. Let's build the number 5 now. Can you build 5? Oopsie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can write 5 like this. I could draw a picture of 5. No matter how I do it, all of these are ways to show 5. So let's look at how I built 5. I had 1 yellow bear, 3 green bears, and 1 yellow bear. When I separate them into groups like this, 1 and 3 and 1, if I count them all together, how many do I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So even if you have 1 and 3 and 1, all together they equal 5. What if I build 5 like this? Where I have 2 and 3. Does this make 5? This does make 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 1 more than 5? What would 1 more than 5 be? Let's try it out. If I add 1 more, what is this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 more than 5 is 6. Okay, so let me take this one away now. If I take it away, how many are we left with? We're left with 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 1 less than 5? What is 1 less than 5? Well, if I take 1 away from 5, how many do I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 less than 5 is 4. And here's a way that you can show 4 with your fingers. What's a way with your fingers that you can show 5? If you have your fingers like this, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's another way to show 5. Okay, let's do a new number. Can you show, let's do 10 now. Can you show 10? All right, I'm going to build 10. Okay. Let's count and see if this is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have 10 here. This is not correct anymore because this was showing 5. Okay, if we have 10, let's look at the way that I have this here. It's just all kind of random thrown out there. This is a group of 10. If I put the bears in line like this, how many do I have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I still have 10. I didn't take any bears away, and I didn't put any more on here, so it's still 10. What if I do my bears like this and make like a T? How many do I have now? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I still have 10. I didn't take any bears away and I did not add anything to it, so it's still 10. Now let's look at some ways that you can make 10. We kind of built them in different ways, but what if I group them in different ways? What if I group them all by color? So I put all my oranges together, all of my greens, my yellow, my red, and my purple. Is this 10? This is still 10. I didn't take anything away and I didn't add anything to it. So let's see how you can build 10 here. Oops. You can compose 10 by having 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, and 1, and 1, and 1. So 4, 3, 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 10. So it doesn't matter how I arrange them. I could even do it where they're even more separated. And do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and it still makes 10. So it doesn't matter how you arrange them and how you decompose 10 by taking apart. You can still put them all together and compose the number 10. 10 can be written in several ways. You could write 10 like this. You could write the word 10, t-e-n, 10. You could do 10 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, when you get to 4, cross the gate. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Crosses the gate again. So this is a way to make 10 tally marks. I could draw a picture of 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I could use a 10 frame, and I could put all of these bears on a 10 frame. I'm having a hard time getting them to stand up there. There we go. And this still makes 10. So you can make numbers in lots of different ways. You can break apart numbers and combine them in different ways, and no matter what, they should still be the same number as long as you're not adding to it or taking away. Before we go, what is 1 less than 10? If I take 1 away from 10, what's 1 less than 10? We'll take 1 away. How many do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is 1 less than 10. That's why when you're counting backwards, the next number you say is 9 because it's 1 less. So we say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you count backwards, you're taking away 1. You're taking and making it 1 less. If we have 10, what is 1 more than 10? 1 more than 10 is, well, if we already know this is 10, what number comes next? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is 1 more than 10. All right. I hope you enjoyed making numbers with me today. We're going to work just a little bit more on this tomorrow. See you then.